Welcome to another informative video by HR How To, your trusted source of HR and career-related advice trusted by millions of followers all over the world. Visit hrhowto.net to access our full content library. Career paths after high school, updated for 2023. It is an exciting time for high school graduates. After months of hard work and dedication, the long-awaited moment of the graduation ceremony finally arrived. But what now? What are the career paths that a high school graduate can pursue? The answer is simple: there are many exciting and rewarding career paths and opportunities for high school graduates. From sales representatives to plumbers, from bus drivers to pharmacy technicians, there are a plethora of careers you can pursue after graduating from high school. Introduction to career paths after high school. High school graduates have many options when it comes to choosing their career paths. There are a variety of jobs that a high school graduate can pursue, ranging from entry-level to highly specialized roles. Some career paths require additional training or education, while others can be started immediately without prior experience. Sales representative. Sales representatives are responsible for selling products or services to customers. They must be able to identify potential customers, explain the benefits of their products or services, and close the sale. Sales representatives must also be knowledgeable about their products or services, be able to negotiate prices, and provide excellent customer service. They must also be able to use various sales strategies to ensure the success of their sales. The median salary for a sales representative is $62,070, and the expected job growth is 4.5% by 2030. With the right skills and a positive attitude, a sales representative can have a successful career. Plumber. Another potential career path after high school could lead you to become a full-time plumber. Plumbers install and maintain water, sewage, and other plumbing systems. They must be able to diagnose and fix plumbing issues and install new fixtures. Plumbers must also be knowledgeable about the safety regulations and codes for plumbing, be able to work in tight spaces, and be comfortable working with tools and machinery. The median salary for a plumber is $56,330, and the expected job growth is 5% by 2030. With the right skills and experience, a plumber can be successful in this career path. Bus driver. Bus drivers are responsible for transporting passengers safely and on time. They must be knowledgeable about traffic laws and safety regulations, know how to navigate the roads, and be able to handle any emergencies that may arise. Bus drivers must also be able to interact with passengers in a friendly and professional manner. The median salary for a bus driver is $45,900, and the expected job growth is 21% by 2030. With the right skills and attitude, a bus driver can be successful in this career path. Pharmacy technician. Pharmacy technicians are responsible for assisting pharmacists in preparing and dispensing medications. They must be knowledgeable about drugs, accurately measure and administer medications, and interact with customers in a friendly and professional manner. The median salary for a pharmacy technician is $35,100, and the expected job growth is 4% by 2030. With the right skills and experience, a pharmacy technician can be successful in this career path. Community health worker. Community health workers are responsible for providing education and assistance to the community. They must be knowledgeable about health and wellness topics and be able to provide resources and support to individuals in need. Community health workers must also be able to interact with community members and provide assistance to those in need. The median salary for a community health worker is $42,000, and the expected job growth is 21% by 2030. Taxi driver. Taxi drivers are responsible for transporting passengers from one place to another. They must be knowledgeable about the roads and traffic laws, interact with passengers in a friendly and professional manner, and navigate the streets safely. The median salary for a taxi driver is $32,320, and the expected job growth is 25.5% by 2030. Security guard. Security guards are responsible for protecting people and property. They must be knowledgeable about safety and security regulations, be able to respond to emergencies quickly and efficiently, and be able to interact with people in a friendly and professional manner. The median salary for a security guard is $31,050, and the expected job growth is 14.6% by 2030. Exploring military opportunities. Many opportunities are available for high school graduates looking for a career in the military. From the Army to the Navy to the Air Force, various roles are available for those interested in serving their country. The military offers a variety of benefits, including education, medical care, and housing. Electrician. Electricians are responsible for installing and maintaining electrical systems. They must be knowledgeable about electrical systems and be able to troubleshoot and repair any issues. Electricians must also be able to read blueprints and diagrams and understand safety regulations. The median salary for an electrician is $56,900, and the expected job growth is 9.1% by 2030. Licensed practical and licensed vocational nurse. Licensed practical and licensed vocational nurses provide primary care to patients. They must be knowledgeable about medical procedures and protocols, be able to administer medications, and be able to interact with patients in a friendly and professional manner. The median salary for a licensed practical and licensed vocational nurse is $48,820, and the expected job growth is 9.3% by 2030. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on informative content from HR How To. Links to full tutorials will be shared in the description box located below. You can also visit hrhowto.net to access our full content library.